I'm using a team of AI agents to go across the internet to stalk my competitors. I want to know what my competitors are releasing on a weekly basis. I want to know of every positive and negative review of my competitors online. I want to know when they're launching new social posts, blog posts, new products, or making big announcements. So I'm going to show you how to build an AI workflow to keep tabs on all your competitors and send you a daily or weekly report with everything that they're up to. It's all built in Cassidy and it has everything you need to empower your team to make sure they always know what your competitors are doing. So let's jump in. So here I am inside Cassidy. I'm going to create a new workflow here. I'm starting with a blank workflow and basically going to set it up on a schedule trigger. So I want this workflow in particular to run every Monday at 9 a.m. If you have a ton of competitors, you can actually set this to daily, but in this case, I'm going to have it run weekly. So the first step in the process, I'm actually going to list out my competitors. I can actually have a research agent go figure out who my competitors are, but for more established businesses, you know your list of your top 10 to 30 competitors that you want to keep tabs on a weekly basis. In this case, I'm just using 3 competitors for a hypothetical legal CRM software. Now I'm going to start using my first research agent. A research agent inside Cassidy actually navigates the internet, goes source to source to find specific information that it's prompted to go and find. In this case, I just want a weekly basis to get an overview of the legal industry, not even related to my competitors, just so my team has it to go along with the general report we're putting together. Just to give you a sneak peek in previous runs, you can see how it actually navigates from different sources online to find all the information that I prompted it. I basically said perform research on legal industry market and identify key trends and insights in the last week. It's not just a regular Google search. This is a deep research agent. Now I'm actually going to set up a looping block. So the loop allows me to go through every single competitor that is on my list. This is where things get interesting. So for every single competitor, I'm going to use a research agent to find company news mentions. I'm going to generate a summary of those news. Then I'm going to find customer reviews that happened in the past week on my competitor. I'm going to scrape recent LinkedIn posts from my competitor. I'm going to summarize those LinkedIn posts. I'm going to find company blog posts, and then I'm also going to analyze the stock performance of the competitor in the past week. Now, I'm just giving you a slice of what's possible. You could be having this research agent find anything you want. New customer case studies, new hires on LinkedIn, even what the founders of the company are talking about online. There's a ton of blocks inside Cassidy that are available to help find this research, but the power of the deep research agent basically finds anything you would want on your competitors. Finally, I'm going to have this send off into a competitor news channel inside my Slack. And I'm also just going to have it send out to an email on the team. But let me show you a previous run here. So you can see the research agent went step by step, did everything I said. It follows the exact prompts. It's taking all that information and consolidating it into a specific, very clean summary. And you can see here it is in my email and here it is posted into the Slack channel. It also works in Microsoft Teams. The last thing I did that's really cool, I actually am using the Cassidy meeting recording in all of our sales meetings to basically notice when any competitor is mentioned in a sales call, and it automatically adds them to our workflow. So now I keep tabs on them as well. If you want help building out this workflow, comment down below, reach out to our team, and let me know what are the other automations you would like to see. More agentic workflow tutorials coming soon.